Hi, let me show you one of the new features that we have in Adapt this month. This is the ability to set background colours and background images on any content. So I'm going to quickly make a new course to demonstrate this. Background course. So if you're familiar with Adapt, we have articles, blocks and components which when previewed will show up on the screen, nested, indicating different levels of content. Articles, blocks, components. So it's very easy to add more blocks, more components to the screen. So I'll put some more text in here. Just rebuilding the course again. Okay. So the new feature allows us to easily change the colours on the different elements in this course. So the feature is installed as an extension. It's the Can background extension. And once installed on your course, you can go to any of these elements. So I shall pick this block, edit that block, look at the block's extensions, and here I have a number of properties on the background extension. Let's just start by setting a simple colour. Use standard CSS hex values, so RGB, so let's have something dark red. Save and preview. So the block where I added the extension is now red. Pretty straightforward. But we can do more than just colours, we can also specify images. So again, I'll go to the block, edit that, go into the extension section and look at the Can background, and here I can select assets to apply. So we can choose a different asset for the desktop and mobile, but I'll stick to the same asset for simplicity now. And straight away when I preview this, you'll see that we can add images as backgrounds. Here you can see that image is using the fixed style, but we can quite simply come in here, again, edit that, and we can change this to scroll. We can also have the image contained or automatically sized. We can choose where to position the image. One last tip, if you're looking at your course and you'd like your component to be see-through, that is possible. So if you want to see the block background through the component, you can go into the authoring tool and edit the component, look at the properties of the background extension, and we see there is a colour field. You'll note it says EG and then a hex value. It does accept other formats, so we can paste in an RGB value. This is essentially white at a 50% transparency, and we can preview that. And now we have a panel containing the text floating over our background. I hope you find this extension useful. Let us know if you've got any queries.